Oops. Understanding I goofed up in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unpack a common English phrase that's as fun to say as it is to hear. I goofed up. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get it just right. I goofed up is a colloquial way to admit that you've made a mistake. It's a lighthearted expression that acknowledges an error without making it seem too serious. People often use it in casual conversation to confess a blunder or a minor oversight. The term goof can be traced back to the early 20th century, originally meaning to make a silly mistake or to blunder. Over time, it became a part of various expressions, with goof up being one of the most popular. It conveys a sense of humor and forgiveness for the slip-up. Using I goofed up is quite simple. You can use it when you want to admit a mistake without being too formal or serious about it. It's perfect for situations where the mistake is not significant enough to cause big problems. Example: after realizing you've brought the wrong document to a meeting, you might say, "Sorry, I goofed up and brought the wrong files." However, it's important to note that I goofed up should not be used in formal situations or when the mistake is very serious. In these cases, a more sincere and formal apology would be appropriate. There are a few variations of this phrase that are also commonly used. I made a goof. I slipped up. I bungled it. Each of these carries the same light-hearted admission of a mistake but can add a bit of variety to your conversation. And there you have it. I goofed up is a playful, forgiving way to admit to a mistake in everyday English. We hope this video has shed some light on this charming expression. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you goof up sometimes. It's all part of the learning process. See you in the next video.